Let me introduce the installation of the flat reaction rack to you. First, we put 2 long graphite blocks. On our flat reaction rack, next, put 2 shorter graphite blocks. Place on the long graphite block. Make a groove like this. To place our boron nitride sheet, make a thermally insulated platform after assembling our flat panel reaction rack. Now we're going to place one of our samples. This time I assembled our non-conductive block sample. Place a piece of graphite felt, generally 100 mm long and 15 mm wide. Can be heated 40 to 70 mm long, width 10 mm, samples within 5 mm height. Next, I'm going to put another layer of graphite felt over this sample. This ensures that we heat up and down evenly. After installing the sample, we will be left with 2 graphite blocks, placed at both ends of our graphite felt, and fixed with stainless steel knobs. It should be noted that stainless steel knob cannot directly contact with the sample to avoid melting stainless steel knob during heating.